Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Shiksha by DP. In this video, we will discuss how to become a drone pilot. With the boom in the popularity of drones and their increasing use for commercial purposes, becoming a drone pilot can be a lucrative career option. So let's get down to the nitty-gritty of becoming a drone pilot in India. To qualify for a program, one must be 18 years or above and below 65 years. In addition, they should have a minimum qualification of Class 10. Further, the candidate will also have to undergo a medical examination prescribed by the DGCA and a background check by the government agency concerned. The next step towards becoming a drone pilot in India is getting trained by the Directorate General of Civil Aviation (DGCA) authorized institute in India. The pilots are trained in basic radio telephony (RT) techniques, flight planning and air traffic control (ATC) procedures and regulations specific to the area of operations, among other things. I hope the video is informative. Please click the subscribe button below. The duration of the course also depends on the type of drone you are being trained on. However, most courses can be completed within 2 to 3 months. The fees depend on the school you choose to enlist in and could vary between Rs 30,000 and 100,000. Classification of drones. Drones are classified according to their weights. Nano is up to 250 grams. Micro is above 250 up to 2 kilograms, small is above 2 kilograms up to 25 kilograms, medium is above 25 kilograms up to 150 kilograms, and large is above 150 kilograms. Finally, after completing the training, which includes a minimum of 15 hours of flight time, you can apply for a remote pilot license on the DGCA portal, Digital Sky. The license is valid for 5 years and can be renewed upon expiration. The link is shared in the description. With 2 to 3 months of training, a drone pilot can earn a salary of around Rs 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. I hope you have gained insight into how to become a drone pilot. Kindly visit the portal of DGCA to know the latest rules. If there is any suggestion or you would like us to do a video on any other career course, do mention it in the comments and we will do it for you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.